Look at all these images, dozens of them generated in less than 10 minutes using a free automation tool. No manual prompting, no downloading one by one, no expensive subscriptions. While everyone's spending hours generating images manually, this underground automation tool quietly appeared, and it's a game changer for content creators. I'm talking about AutoWisk, a free browser extension that generates bulk images automatically. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use AutoWisk AI to generate bulk images for your content. Whether you're creating history documentaries, African folktales, Bible stories, yellow chick content, educational videos, or any image-based niche, this tool will transform your workflow. I'll walk you through installation, setup, generating prompts, bulk image generation, and automatic downloading. Everything is completely free. So, if you're ready to automate your image generation in 2026, subscribe to Learn with Emnet and let's dive in. First, go to your browser and search for AutoWisk AI. Click on the third option in the search results. Once the page opens, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click it to begin installation. Once it's fully downloaded, the button automatically changes to Remove from Chrome. This means the extension is now installed. Click on your browser's extensions icon and you'll see AutoWisk AI listed there as an installed extension. Now that you have AutoWisk AI installed, the next step is to launch Whisk AI itself. Search for Whisk AI in your browser and sign in using your Google account. Once you're fully logged in, click on the extensions icon in your browser and select AutoWisk. This will open AutoWisk as an extension overlay on the Whisk AI platform. First, you may want to change the language settings to your preferred language, as the interface is currently in Vietnamese. For this tutorial, we'll be using English. Simply tap on the drop-down arrow to select your preferred language. I'll be choosing English for this guide. You'll see different model versions here. The recommended version is 7.6.0, which supports reference images and auto-download features. But for this demo, I'm going with the classic version 7.5.1 because it's straightforward and reliable. Take your time to explore and test other versions as well to see which one works best for your workflow. Next, we need to paste in our prompts. To do this, I'll head back to ChatGPT where I've already generated my story. I'll ask ChatGPT to give me up to 20 visual prompts for my story. Here are the 20 prompts it created. Now, I'll ask ChatGPT to convert these prompts into a batch list suitable for AutoWisk AI image generation. And as you can see, I now have all the prompts formatted perfectly for AutoWisk AI, ready to generate all images at once. I'll copy all the prompts at once, then go back to Whisk AI and paste them into the prompt list box. Scroll down and hit Start. You'll see an option asking whether to create a new project or run on this current project. Select Run on this project. As you can see, it's already generating the images and downloading them at the same time. Don't worry, I'll show you how to disable auto-download if you prefer manual control. Let's hold on a bit while it generates all the images. And there we go. All the images are ready. AutoWisk didn't just download them, it also saved everything inside a dedicated folder on my device, making organization incredibly easy. If you want to stop auto-download in future sessions, simply click on Settings and uncheck the auto-download option. This gives you more control over which images you want to keep. This automation workflow works for all kinds of content: history documentaries, yellow chick videos, bedtime stories, African folktales, educational content, and more. Once you have all your images generated, take them to your editing app, whether it's CapCut, Premiere Pro, or any other tool, and align them with your voiceovers. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this tool, the better you understand its capabilities and how to maximize your efficiency. And there you have it. Now you know how to use AutoWisk AI to generate bulk images automatically and save yourself hours of manual work. This tool is a game changer for anyone creating image-based content. Whether you're just starting your channel or looking to scale your production, AutoWisk gives you the power to create faster without sacrificing quality. Here's what I want you to do next. Go install AutoWisk right now, generate your first batch of images, and come back to drop a comment telling me what content you're creating. I read every single comment, and I'd love to see what you're working on. If this tutorial saved you hours of frustration, hit that like button and subscribe to Learn with Emnet for more free automation tools, AI tutorials, and content creation strategies. New videos every week. And remember, don't just watch tutorials. Take action. Install the tool, test it, create something, and start building your channel today. The only way to fail is to never start. I'll see you in the next tutorial where I'll show you advanced prompt techniques to get even better results from AI image generators. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching.